before I go to the bed, before I go into the bed, I already told the musician around how much I practice into the top how or outdoors. I even asked my friend to walk on the beach, to bench for this and show Kasimato with sand and then we will get filled people. We made noise all day. Little by little, they got tired of moving around. I knew it was time to try out the real deal. I didn't feel audition. The first time was a disaster. I thought in my brain and I started crying. I just want to run home, but the leader was very sustaining. He fixed an appointment for the week. He explained how to relax and do breathing techniques. So I practiced everything he told me. I went around the house making drum noise, bass noise, and piano sounds to help me out. The next time I had prepared everything, but I did not play good enough because I was too nervous. But not as much as the first one. I told the leader that I did a bit more time. The third time was a completely different story. I enjoyed it. Then was Saturday morning. I played with the door of the whole band and being clapped. The leader said, "Let's welcome Peter to the band." Peter first served his place. I was so happy and I was very proud of myself. They gave me band uniform.